Is the X3D Audio 10 DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for X3D Audio 10, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This DLL file is a legacy DirectX 3D audio library. It provides games with the initial implementation of spatial sound positioning, allowing audio to be panned based on the listener's 3D location. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If the X3D Audio 10 DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and X-Audio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the X3D Audio 10 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the X3D Audio 10 DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to the X3D Audio 10. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved the X3D Audio 10 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.